Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix can't follow people on TikTok problem. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up your Play Store and search for TikTok. Check if there's any update available, then just update it if there's any. And after updating your TikTok application, open it up and simply log in with your account. And once you are logged in, you'll have your account timeline in front of you. Now you just have to click over on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and head over to privacy and security in the hamburger menu. After that, scroll down the menu and select free up space in the cache and cellular section. Now just clear the application's cache so that it works smoothly, and if this doesn't work, then it means your TikTok thinks your account is a bot. To fix this problem, simply scroll your TikTok videos so that your account rights are reverted to normal and you're done. And that's how you can fix the can't follow people problem on TikTok. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.